Hi friends, today I'm gonna show you how to create a user profile page with views. When I say user profile page, this is a page we're gonna create in views, the contents which are created by your user. For example, just say that you have a website with a gallery where users can submit their images or upload images or create blogs and things like that, and you want the user created post to be visible on the user profile page as a tab. I will show you the real example of the site now. Let's take a look at the site I have created in my local system on Drupal7 so that you get an idea what we're gonna create or how it looks in a real live site. So this is a site sample I have made. It's like a community site where users can upload their images and they can comment, they can write blogs and things like that. So I just gonna log into this site and let's take a look at the profile page. So here it is, the my account. If you go to my account and in posts, here you can see this is created using views in Drupal, and you can see when I mouse over, you can see here edit, export and clone. So you can understand that it's created in view. And what I have done is like created a thumbnail for the gallery post and a title and the voting tag and the category which is used for creating the content and the comments and the date created the post. So this is what we're gonna create now, and we're gonna create this in Drupal 7, and the thing which I shown you now is in Drupal 6. So we are not going to make anything in Drupal 6 now because I'm not going to do any more tutorial on Drupal 6, I hope. So because we're gonna use hereafter Drupal 7. So okay, I just gonna log out here and let's go to Drupal 7 now. Okay, here we are, the new Drupal 7 I just installed, and login. Okay, after logging into the site, you can see there is nothing. I haven't created any content or anything. So if you go to the profile page here in Drupal 7, you can see just view, edit and shortcuts. So that's the only thing we have now. So we're gonna add a new tab here, like here shortcuts. We're gonna create a new tab called latest post or posts. Okay, let's say just post created by the user. Okay, so just we're gonna create some content before that. Okay, let's say basic page, some test post, some test content, and just publish, save. Okay, now we have some content created. So next, let's go and create views. Go to structure, click on views, and we haven't got any views yet. So we're gonna click on add new view. Say user profile page and description. Let's give the same here for a while. Then key view type as node. Click next. Okay, from here in the default section, let's add some fields. Let's say we want only the node title because it's a profile page. We don't need all the node to be displayed or the body tag. So we just filter out the node and we want to display only the node title. So scroll down and click on node title, click add, and then scroll down to the bottom, link this field to its node. We don't need any label as title. Then scroll down, click update. Okay, we currently add just for this demo because I hope you got the idea. Whatever fields you want to display in a user profile page, you can add here. I just gonna show you only the node title. So then we gonna create a filter because we don't want all the node to be displayed there. We want to be displayed by node type. Filter is maybe we just want to add basic page and featured slider because that's the only thing I have created here. And then if you want to add by sort criterion and things like that, you can keep add. And I just want to give a display style is now unformatted to the table. Click update, and you can play around with the styling things. I just give you the idea or the setup, and you can play around with this to get the maximum output in a better style. So click update, and now we have the table style. Maybe we gotta add one more field here so it looks better. The node created field date. I mean, yeah. So just click on post date. So we get the date posted, and here we are. Okay, next we gonna click on add display. So now we're gonna create a page display. Make sure we're gonna create a page display, and we're gonna create a path here. Let's say this as maybe users slash we want to display this as a post. So just post, and then we need a menu tab this time. Make sure not normal menu, it's a menu tab because we are going to create it as a menu tab on user page. So post, then click update, and then we have to create only one section, one thing here, that is argument. So click on plus icon here for the argument, then from here filter it out by the node, then scroll down to the bottom, the last one, user posted or commented. Display nodes only if a user posted the node or commented on the node, so that if the user created the node or commented on that node, then only this node title will be displayed in user profile page. So click on add, then here administrative title, breadcrumb, you have here options. So before we gonna go there, okay, so let's add some argument here. Breadcrumb, while go down, display height, display empty text. I will show you how to do that now. So in title we're gonna add post created by some user. So we can call the wildcard entry, we say this. So that's a %1, just say that. And validation is basic validation. If you want to display empty text, for example, if there is no content is displayed, we can create an empty text that no contents created by the user or by you. We can create that like that. So click on update and override, or yeah, then let's create some empty text here. Empty text you can see here. Just click on add. Global, we can only text area, so click on add. So let's say no content created, or no contents are available. Okay, so override, update. Yep. So this empty text will be displayed if there is no view or no content to display in the user profile page. So that's all we have to do here. Let's check this out first. Click save the view we have saved. Next, let's go to open link in a new tab, and then let's go to our admin page and see we haven't got that page here. So let's check it out why. So go back, pages, user, posts. Maybe we gonna add a percentage, then posts, click update, save. Now we refresh. Yeah, here it is. So make sure that you have followed all the steps. So even if you make a mistake, see here, I know that when I created this thing it will be like this. So just to make sure that if you get, or if you couldn't get a display here like this, then make sure that you created the path same as this, user slash percentage sign slash post, or whatever name you give for that page. So here it is. So now we have the bamboo ads, bamboo syndic. I mean, these are the things I have created just now. So if you click on the page, for example, if we click on test page, it goes to that page. So still we are on the view, I mean the profile page. So whenever a user wants to click on the post page to display all his pages, you can see here, and you can add more fields here if you have the gallery, thumbs and comments, whatever things you want to display in the profile page. This is the best way to do. Just click on arguments, user posted or commented, and you can do much better things with these things. I just give you some idea to create the things, or the power of views. So if you know how to use the views in Drupal, then you don't need to use so many modules to get some small functionalities for your sites. So play around with it and have fun. I hope you got the idea to create the thing, and let me know if you have any more comments or doubts or difficulties to create these kinds of stuff. Also please comment if you want to get some kind of tutorial in Drupal, like some area where you haven't found any kinds of tutorial in Drupal, about Drupal in online, like on YouTube or wherever you found, and maybe I can create it for you people to help out, whenever I have time. So have fun. Thanks for watching.